Are you ready to stay updated with all the compliments and conversations happening on your tagged photos? Today, we're diving into how to enable comment notifications from profiles you follow on posts you're tagged in, directly from your PC. With this new update from Instagram, you won't miss a single comment. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account. Simply head over to the website and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, look for the More icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon typically looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots. Click on it. Now it's time to navigate to your settings. From the menu that appears, select Settings, and then click on Notifications. This page gives you options for staying updated on various activities related to your account. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where you can personalize your notification preferences. Now, pay attention. Under the section labeled Likes and Comments on Photos of You, you'll notice a choice for notifications. Here, select From Profiles I Follow. This setting ensures you'll receive notifications specifically for comments from users you closely follow, making it easier to keep track of your interactions. And that's it. You've successfully enabled comment notifications for profiles you follow on posts you're tagged in. Now, you can easily engage with your friends and followers as their comments pop up in real time. Remember, staying connected has never been this easy. Happy Instagramming.